Hey there and welcome to my channel. This is EC Tech, and today I want to look at the new features in GNOME 44. For this I used Fedora Workstation Beta and a VM, so do bear with me if it's a bit laggy at times. Some of the most notable changes, and the ones that GNOME themselves have highlighted in their promotional video, have to do with the Quick Settings panel and Nautilus, the file manager. The highlight of the Quick Settings panel being that it now supports background apps. What this aims to do is to support apps that require the use of a system tray icon. Since GNOME hasn't had a system tray for a long time now, there was no way of accessing a respective app's system tray icon without the use of extensions. Well, in this release, GNOME will now kinda sorta support that. And I say kinda sorta because it doesn't have the full functionality of the classic system tray. For example, you cannot expand an icon to get to the respective app's menu. You only have the options to view which app is open in the background, and or to close it. The panel itself has gotten some touch-ups, like more functional buttons with more context to them. Nautilus, the GNOME file manager, has also got an update. Some of the new features include being able to expand folders in the list view, creating image files from images that you've copied from the web or screenshots you have taken, having a right-click menu on tabs, which among other things lets you detach it from the current window, and possibly the one that's been most requested by the users, the ability to see larger thumbnails in the file picker. Now that we're talking about apps, here are some of the new things in other apps. GNOME Web and GNOME Console have now gotten the View Open Tabs feature. This shows you an overview of your currently open tabs. GNOME Web is now using GTK4, as well as a new version of WebKit and WebGL. GNOME Boxes has a new and improved Create a VM dialog pop-up, which makes it much more simple and straightforward to create a new VM. GNOME Weather has a smooth temperature curve now. GNOME Maps regain keyboard navigation, as well as now supporting a new vector tile stock that can make it look better than the OpenStreetMap's default one. The Settings app has also gotten a few updates. You can now share Wi-Fi passwords with a QR code, and support for WireGuard VPNs has been added. You can now adjust the audio for each program individually in the audio settings. The accessibility panel has been reorganized into multiple pages and now lets you disable overlay scroll bars. You can now disable mouse acceleration in input settings. And on the About section, it now shows you the kernel level version. So this has been an overview of most of the changes in GNOME 44. Thanks for watching my video and hope you have an excellent day. Peace.